Do I want to live past 30? Do I want to live past 30? I guess there are some things to look forward to. There's still plenty of MILFs to, you know, plenty of MILFs to, you know, do stuff with. But pretty soon I'll have to move to freaking Kills. What is the acceptable age to hit on MILFs? I'm thinking like when I go to 35, it's gonna be too late. When I hit 35, I think I'll have to go to Kills. I think I will be too old. I will be too old for MILFs. But actually, if my face stays young, maybe I can lie about my age. If I can keep my face young, then I can just lie about my age. I guess that works. Because lying is cool. I think everyone should lie more. Just lie. Everyone should just lie. Can you imagine how much more interesting your life would be if everyone was lying? Okay, enough of that nonsense.